Hi, I'm Chef George Voudoutakis, author of Vegetarian Traditions and the blog, thevegetarianguy.com. My friend T-Bird and I explore the world of food. Won't you join us? I love speaking the language of food. The markets are my muse, and I enjoy finding, preparing, and sharing dishes made from the gifts of the earth. Every week I explore the farmers markets of San Diego. One of my favorite discoveries is rosy romaine lettuce. Delicate, tender, yet crisp, it is the perfect choice for my toasted almond Caesar salad. It is a simple recipe with a big impact.
Que giran, si te doy que si me miras, mamá, lo tengo por si el vaivén que ruina y brisa, si te queda la noche apuesta y gira.
Remember, connect the dots with your food, know where your food comes from, and support your local farmers. Until next time.
Thank you so much.